Hi friends, let me show you these new salt and pepper grinders that I received. They are really nice. They are acrylic, okay? And I think they look pretty. I can imagine using them. They are the same finish, but as always, you're supposed to use one for salt and one for pepper. I'm going to test it with salt today, so you see how to use them. You open them from the top here, get this out, then you put the product that you are going to use. Okay, and then of course you close them, okay? As you can see, even before using them, they look pretty nice. They give at the table or your kitchen a really nice look. As you can see how beauty they look. And well, to use them, as you know, you just have to turn them around and the salt is being crushed. You see? Hope you see. So I think these salt and pepper grinders are really nice. They look pretty in your kitchen, in your table, if you have a restaurant, wherever you need salt and pepper to be grind. I think these ones are really pretty and I recommend them a lot. Thank you.